high places, a little bit of matzah. Shelby is upset. I'm. She wants. It's really difficult when nobody understands what you're saying. I understand that. So we have friends in high places now. I'm just thinking about how I'm really not good at making connections with people in high places. Like all the. I think it's because I could see through their misery, the way that no matter how much money they have, they're just not happy. I never realized there was a tennis court there. I don't know. I just think that no matter how much money people have, at the end of the day, everybody goes to the same place. And the higher you are, the bigger the fall. It's going to be a huge fall if you think that you can take your Mercedes or your big house or your whatever you have when you go. When you go, you leave with nothing. Not your clothes, not your cosmetic surgery, nothing. Not your TV, not your big screen TV. So what's the point of accumulating all those things? That's the big question, right?